Do you know why we are here? Yes, today is a Virtual Toy Expo program. Yes. Shall we start? Before starting, yes, yes, we will start. Before starting, we will have a small prayer. Okay, small prayer by our sister Manasa. Okay, children, close your eyes, join your hands.
Oh, downloads.
Yes, everyone has to be muted.
Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, Lord, bind us together in love. There is only one God. There is only one King. There is only one body. That is why we sing. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, Lord, bind us together in love.
Right.
Thank you, my dear sister. It was a wonderful prayer, made us fresh and enlighten our minds. Thank you once again. Children, toys are our best friends, isn't it? Toys are best friends of kids, through which you can express your feelings, you can share their feelings like a friend, isn't it? You will always feel your best friend is your toy, isn't it, children? Yes.
Good morning,
Toys plays a very important role in your life. Playing with toys is one of the sweetest and cherished memories of our childhood. All of us, whether the person is rich or poor, toys were part of our childhood life. Isn't it, children? Always, whenever we are feeling bored, what we will do? We will take a toys and we'll start playing with it. And we will have such a memories that it will not be unforgettable, isn't it? Yes. Recalling my childhood days, even if I recall my childhood days, no, I will also think many things that which I have played with the toys. See here, you can see the toys, no? You know for what I have kept here to show you. Even in this, no, my childhood toys also are there. I have 3 children, no? For them, they will also play with these toys. Okay, I also remember that. I also had a toys and I was loving them a lot. Even I have a lot of memories with that. In fact, there are few of them now also, which I still take in my hand and recall the sweetest memories that were associated with it. Today, our Chris, Buds and Blooms are here to narrate as what their personalized toys mean to them. Everything that we are attached with has some stories. You also have some stories, no? You want to share that, isn't it? Your friends want to see your toys, even you want to see your friends' toys. Okay, we will see the meaningful connected story with that toy. Let us have a look at various kinds of toys they have bought here. You can hear it, you can share it, your beautiful memories of their toys. Okay, children, come on, give a clap to start this program. Okay, good. Listen carefully.
Hilda ma'am, you are muted, ma'am. Please unmute, ma'am.
Hi, my dear kids. Do you know what is an air transport? Air transport that can fly up, high up in the sky. And it can. It is an fastest means of transport. Okay. You see? travel very fast. Air transport is a convenient mode of transportation. It also the fastest means of delivering goods across the globe. My dear kids, there are various types of air transport like helicopter, aeroplane, jet planes, and many more. Okay, my dear kids, have you seen any with aeroplane? Yes. Okay, it's flying in the sky. There is lovely sound and aeroplane. Do you want to sing with me? Yes, let's sing. Okay, kids. Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high. Over the hills, over the seas. Aeroplane, aeroplane, will you take me please? Aeroplane, aeroplane, will you take me please? So children, I hope all are enjoyed with the rhyme. Okay, my dear kids?
Okay, ma'am.
Now our little ones are going to share these memories with their favorite toys.
Airplane. An airplane has two big wings on both sides and landing gear underneath. It has to move very fast on a runway in order to take off. An airplane flies in the sky and soars even higher than the clouds.
Hilda ma'am, unmute. Hilda ma'am, unmute.
Wow, what a wonderful video, my dear kids. How was the video, my dear kids? Very nice, no? I hope all liked it. All are enjoyed.
Nice, ma'am.
Okay, good. Maybe here two little kids are there. They want to become a pilot. So only aeroplane may be your favorite toys. Is it not, my dear children? Yes. Now, I would like to call upon from UKGA, Muhammad Riyan. Muhammad Riyan.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Muhammad Rayan. I'm studying UKG A section. Today I am going to tell my favorite toy. My favorite toy is airplane, which gifted by my grandfather. I love aeroplanes. It flies high in the sky. I want to become a pilot. I love flying in the sky. Hi. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, dear kids. It was a wonderful performance. Thank you. Now it's over to Miss Bhavya ma'am.
Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine.
Yes. Do you know why we have gathered here? Yes, because it's our wonderful toy expo. Yes, we have all our favorite toys, no? Yes, with our favorite toys, we are going to play many more games. Yes, no? Yes, with our friends, mummy, papa, with everyone, we all have played more games. Now, with all the toys, we'll imagine what we are going to do, what your friends are going to say. Yes, your friends are going to say about their favorite toys and their favorite colors also in that favorite toys. They have colorful toys. Yes. Now we'll see what your friends are going to say. Before that, when you're playing with your toys, you will learn the shapes and the colors. Your papa and mummy will teach now with the building blocks. You'll make with the building blocks. What you'll make? We can make trains, house, and many more things. Yes. Before this, I will ask our ma'am to play one beautiful video. All are ready? Yes. Here we go. Yes, children, what a beautiful video, no? Yes, it was my favorite one when I was in a childhood, no? It was my favorite one. Hope you all also like this video. Now, we'll see what your friends are going to say about their favorite ones. Okay, all are ready? Thumbs up. No need to talk. Give a thumbs up to me. Yes. Now, Steve Jijo from LKGA. Go ahead, baby. Steve Jijo.
Yeah.
സ്റ്റീവ് ഉറക്കെ പറഞ്ഞേ കുഞ്ഞിനെ ഉറക്കെ പറഞ്ഞേ നിന്റെ ബ്ലോക്സ് എന്തിയേ ബ്ലോക്സ് വേഗം പറഞ്ഞേ അത് പറഞ്ഞേ വേഗം പറഞ്ഞേ പറയല്ലേ
My favorite toy is orca paray Shivu. Sound parray. Orca parray. Parray Shivu ta orca.
My favorite toy, building block.
Parray da. I make. Orca parray. I love. അവിടെ നോക്കി പറയേ ഓർക്ക് പറയേ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ബ്ലോക്ക് ഇതെടുത്ത് കാണിക്കാൻ മറ്റേ സ്യൂട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത് ഇത് കാണിക്കോ ആണ് എല്ലാരും നോക്കിയിരിക്കാണ് സ്യൂ കാണിക്കുന്നത് കാണിക്കടാ ഇവിടെടുത്ത് കാണിക്കുന്നത് മൊബൈലേക്ക് നീക്കി വെക്കേ കാണിക്കേ പിന്നെ സ്യൂട്ടിന്റെ ഫേവറേറ്റ് JCB
I
കാണിക്കുന്നു
want to see your toy. Show me, baby. Steve,
കാണിക്ക് ടീച്ചറിനെ
where's the toy? Yeah, now I can see. Okay, wow.
ഇത് കാണിക്കേ
Wow, nice building block. Wow, so many things are there with you. Nice.
താങ്ക് യു പറയേ താങ്ക് യു
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve Jijo. It was nice.
Next, from UKGA, Bhavat Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhavat Krishna. I am studying in UKGA. See, this is one of my favorite toys. Dolak. My grandmother gifted this Dolak. It is very special to me. I love this. It is made up of wood and goat skin. I love to play and dance with this Dolak, and I do bhajanas with my grandmother in the evening. I like this song. I enjoy playing with this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhavat. It was fabulous. Next, from UKGP, Brunda Gowda. Brunda Gowda.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Brenda. I am studying Christ International School, UKGB section. This is our kitchen area. Today I am playing kitchen set. I am going to prepare Maggi. Put some water and Maggi and masala and mix. Yeah. Close your door and open. Ma'am, Maggi is a thank you, ma'am. Ready, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Super,
Brunda.
Brenda.
Thank you so much. It was very delicious food. Next, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavya ma'am. Hello, children. How are you all? Fine. I know today is the Toy Expo. I know you all are very happy, right? Today, Lakshmi ma'am is going to say about your favorite toy of Barbie doll. Okay, the Barbie doll. This is. I think so. You like too much girls like this Barbie doll, right? Girls are like very much this Barbie doll. See, like blonde hair, blue color eyes, and fair skin. Blonde hair, right? Yes. It looks like a young woman. Bland, attractive toy for all the girls, right? Girls, all the girls agree that? Yes. Do you know the full form of Barbie? Barbara Millicent Roberts. You know that? Barbara Millicent Robert. This is full form Barbie. Okay, today is one. See, Barbara Millicent Roberts. This is full form of Barbie. Okay, this figure is looks like adult woman. It looks like adult woman. It was introduced on March. It is introduced on March 1959. 1959 by Mattel. Okay, one of the person, Mr. Mattel, is introduced this Barbie doll. Okay, you know one truthful slogan about the Barbie doll. Girls used to say. Okay, I'll say, we can do anything, right, Barbie? We can do anything, right, Barbie? Right. As we can do anything if we look like a Barbie. Right. Yes. Now, are you ready for watch Barbie's home? You didn't see, no? I will show Barbie's home. Okay, dear, be ready. Silent in between. Don't talk. If you will talk, the Barbies will go to their home. Don't talk. See, silently watch. Barbies are sleeping and they're having the lunch. Okay, be silent and watch. Okay.
Good morning. Time to get up.
Good morning, Barbie.
Yes, they are having their lunch. Okay, don't disturb to them. Okay. Now your little friends going to share about their memories. Okay, I will call Hita from LKG A. Hita, can you tell about the Barbie doll?
Morning, ma'am. My name is Hitaje. My name is Hitaje. We got so beautiful. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, one more time repeat, ma'am.
Yes, super, super, very good. Next, Devi Shri, can you share your memories?
Respected teachers and my friends, I am Devisi Vaishnavi, UKG. I'd like to talk about my favorite toy puppy doll. Its name Laddu. It was my papa's gift before 4 years back. I like it more than all my because it is very cute and special for me. I play with Laddu every day. I can share all my feelings with Laddu. I keep it very clean. Thank you.
Wow, super Devi Shri. 4 years over the toy. Very good, super. Nicely you kept safely. Good girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, super baby. Next, Umeza is going to share about her friend baby doll.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is studying UKG A section. This is my favorite Barbies. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Imagination, imagination. Come body, let's roll out. Ah, ah, ah. Come body, let's roll out. Ah, ah, ah. Thank you.
Wow, super Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl. Very good. Super Umeza. Well done. Now, I will call Moksha Sarvesh from UKG B. Moksha. Moksha, can you speak? Please unmute.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Moksha I am B section. This is my favorite toy, Dolly. My dad this toy me gifted. This is my toy, Dolly wardrobe. It has 5 dresses, 3 shoes, and any more. I love Dolly very much. Thank you.
Wow, super Moksha. Your father gifted the toy now. Keep it safely, okay? Super. Next, Alisa is going to share her memories about her toy. Alisa, can you share?
Hello everyone.
1 minute. Start.
Hello everyone. My name is Alicia from UKGC. My favorite toy is Barbie doll. My Barbie doll may have many Barbies with me. Some are small, some are big. My Barbie is very beautiful. I do dress up and makeup for my Barbie. Or my sleep always my Barbie. I love my Barbie very much. Thank you.
Super, Alisa. You also looks like a Barbie doll. Very nice, cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, baby. Next, I would like to call our new smart student, Sania Ram, to share her memories.
Sanya, are you there, baby? Sanya Ram,
She is there, ma'am, but
please unmute and say, Ma.
no, she's not okay. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you, children, for share your memories with me. Thank you so much. Now, I'm going to hand over to Nisha, ma'am. Ma'am, it's over to you. Please.
Who is this? Who is this, children? Yes. It's lion. It's a lion. King of the jungle. King of the jungle. Yes. Okay, children, listen. Okay, you have to listen. The king of the jungle. Yes. Now, ma'am is here to talk about animals and birds. Are you ready to watch? Even you have a video, and ma'am will be giving some points about the animals and birds. Animals and birds are wonderful creation of God. Is it, children? Yes, because birds are very colorful. They are very colorful. Different colors are there, and many animals. See, can you see now on the screen? Some animals are seeing at you. So many colorful animals and birds also there, and it is very lovable and beautiful also. Okay, is it, children? It is good to spend time with them. Under animal category, you can see water animal. Water animal is there, land animal is there, wild animal is there, and domestic animal is also there. And next thing, children, birds. Birds have colorful wings, colorful feathers and colorful wings. They build nest. Have you seen nest? Where it will be? It will be in the top of the tree. Yes, they will build a nest on the top of the tree, and inside the nest you can see small eggs. Yes, children. Now, ma'am is going to talk about wild animals. Wild animals are very dangerous. Wild animals are very dangerous. It will be in the forest. Forest means it's a big, huge area. With big trees will be there. When we go inside the forest, no, it will be dark in color. Yes, dark. And many of us won't go to the forest. But how we will see the wild animals? Yes, we can visit the zoo. Ma'am will tell one idea. In this Dasra vacation, my children, you can go and visit National Park, Bannerghatta National Park. If you go there, you tell to your papa, mommy, ma'am, Nisha ma'am has said, we have to go to National Park, National Bannerghatta National Park. It is near to Bangalore. And even if you visit Mysore, there also zoo is there. There you can find big elephant, zebra, giraffe, and even snake is also there. Snake is also there. And you can say big hippo. Hippo will be there. Hippo, where he will be there? No, there is a big pond, children. Inside that pond, always that hippo will be sleeping. Sometimes he is a lazy guy. So once you go to National Bannerghatta Park, please visit. Okay, visit with your parents. There's many animals. The next category is domestic animals. Ma'am will show one thing. Yes, it's a guest. Okay. Yes, have you seen him? Yes. What is this? Huh? Yes, it's a baby. Honey, yes, baby rabbit. These are called, listen. These are called, yes, baby, these are called domestic animals. Domestic animals we will rear in our home and near to our home. Even my children also have the domestic animals. We have seen cow. Yes, cow, hen, cat, dog, duck. All these things are domestic animals. Okay, all these things are domestic animals. So domestic animals are the animals which we rear near to our home and inside our house. Okay, children. Now let me watch. See, children, you have to be careful in this toy expo. When you come to my class, in the class, ma'am is going to ask some questions. Be alert. Okay, children. Now, our ma'am is going to play a video. Shall we go and watch the video? Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Animals and birds. Rhino, tiger, elephant, bear, rat, hen, lizard, sparrow, owl,
Yes, children, it was a wonderful video. Yes, many of them have seen those animals. Is it, children? Now, our little friends, your little friends are going to say few words about their favorite animals. Animal talk. Shall we start? Are you ready to watch what your friends are going to say? Yes, ma'am is going to call one by one. The first turn is LKG-A. LKG-A, Darshita. Where are you, baby? Darshita, are you there, baby? Hello.
Yes. We will go to the next participant, Rishik Vihan. Rishik Vihan, are you there?
Hi.
Yes, baby, you can start.
My name is Ishikugan. This is famous Chalpatta toy. Mommy fan instead me. I play with this wooden ass. Thank you, teacher.
Very good, dear. Very good. Very good, dear. Darshita, are you ready, baby? If you are ready, you can say about your favorite animal. Darshita.
My name is Nam.
Now, Advik. Advik is there? Advik. Yes. Honusri. Honusri. Are you there? Appa, I am frightened. Wow. One more lion is there in front of me. Yeah. Yes, baby. Start.
Good morning, everyone. I am a king of the jungle. Very strong. Very strong. I run very fast. I run. Oh, thank you.
Please, lion, show me your face. Wow, it's super big lion. Okay, very good, dear. Now it's turn. Welcome, dear. Now it's turn to. Who is that? Now it's turn to LKGB Tejasvi. Tejasvi, are you there, baby? Yes, start, my dear.
My name is Tejasvi, LKGB section. My toy is lamb, which is my birthday gift from my brother. I love to play with my toy. I call it as Rani. It is in white color, dash to brown orange, and a bell in the neck. Every day after my class, I play with my toy. I love it very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Tejasvi. Tejasvi, shall I ask a question to your toy? Which month will come after April? Which month will come after April?
May.
Ah, that is what the sound. May. Very good, dear. Very good.
May.
Ah, yeah. See, he know the month. Yes, he know the month. Very good, dear. Now it's turn to UKGB. Charan Tej V. Charan Tej V. Charan Tej, are you there?
Its name is Pinko. It is in pink color. My papa gifted me and my brother. I like to play with it. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, dear. Nice. The performance was nice. Very good. Now I'll call UKGB Darshan Aditya. UKGB Darshan Aditya.
My name is Darshan Aditya. My toy name is Tiger. Tiger is my best friend. I live in forest. A strong and powerful animal. My mother gives my birthday. Thank you, ma'am.
Darshan Aditya, I'll be visiting your home, Darshan Aditya. to see your favorite toy. Okay? Okay, da? Very good. Ba. Next is UKGB Ganavi Krishnamurthy.
Karen, tell me, ma'am.
Ganavi Krishnamurthy.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kanavi Krishnamurthy. I am studying UKGB section. My favorite toy, dog. My Its name is puppy. Naimari tindi beke.
Tindi beku ye. Ella beku.
Ella beku. Thank you, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರಿನಾ
ನಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ನಿಂಗೂ ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ
ಓಕೆ
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ನೌ ಯುಕೆಜಿಬಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಗೌಡ
yes ma'am
ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಗೌಡ
yes ma'am good morning ma'am my name is Subhash Koda DM. I am studying UKGB section. My favorite toy is teddy bear, dog. My papa gifted me. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Subhash Gowda. Well done. Okay, now it's turn to UKGC Charan. UKGC Charan Satvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, baby. Start, baby.
My name is Charan Satvik.
Yes.
I'm UKG section. My cow, my favorite cow. My favorite toy is cow. These 4 legs. These 2 eyes. 2 ears. Big mouth. Black and white. Long tail. It is blue milk. Thank you, ma'am.
Charan, shall I ask something to you? What does cow gives us? What
Milk.
does cow? Milk, yes. How many glasses of milk you will drink every day?
Milk.
2 glasses or 1 glass?
3.
3 glass. Wow, super. So, once again, very good, dear. Once again, I'll call Darshita from LKGA. Are you there, baby? If you are there, you have the chance to participate. Please participate. Darshita. Yes, dear. Yeah. Start. Yes, start, baby.
Start. Start. Hello everyone. My name is Darshita. Here it is. My favorite toy is Talking Tom. He repeats everything you said. It is a great friend. Hi, my name is Pam, and I can tell stories and sing. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
So, Darshita, shall I ask Your talking Tom, the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Hi, talking Tom.
Hi. My name is Tom.
Hi.
Hi.
Very good performance, talking Tom. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, dear, it was very great. So, children, did you saw all your friends how they said about their animal toy? So next time, if you get the turn, if you get the chance, you have to say. Okay, children. So all the best. It was wonderful performance. Now I hand over to Manjula ma'am.
Hello, dear kids. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is your day. Yes, no, my dear. Today is your day. Today, no reading, writing. Only we are keeping our toy and playing. Yes, no, my dear. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you know what is this, my dear?
Teddy bear.
What is the color of teddy? Yeah. Now, I hope girls all have teddy bears. Yes, no, my dear kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Manjula ma'am, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Can you? Good morning, my dear kids. Now see how our pretty teddy bear can. See here. Now, can you guess what is the popular of bear?
Red color teddy bear.
It is a panda. This is a panda.
Red color.
A polar bear. Polar bear.
Teddy bear.
Here is a hint.
Here, ma'am.
Here, listen carefully, my dear kids. Now, here is a hint. Yeah, most children have bear. Yes, no, my dear? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is right. It is a teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
All are happy, no?
Happy. Happy.
Now we will sing one rhyme.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, what is your shoe? Teddy bear, what is that? After school.
That's
You like this rhyme, my dear? You like Now, do you know the name that teddy bear comes from? United States President Mr. Theodore Roosevelt. Okay. Hello. Can you hear me? My voice, my kids.
ma'am.
Who was that commonly known as a teddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Teddy bear are one of the most gift for us. Yes, no, my dear. Papa will give a gift for us. Mommy will give. Then our relations, everyone will gift for us for vacation time. Yes, no, my dear. Yes, yes. For affection time, congratulation time, and then signify of the love. Then when you are getting for birthday time, we will get the gift from Mommy, no? Yes? Yes, no, my dear kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Ma'am will play one small video about teddy bear. Please watch it. Okay, listen carefully.
Teddy was the nickname of Theodore Roosevelt. He was the President of the United States many years ago. President Roosevelt enjoyed the outdoors and nature. He liked to go hunting. However, on one hunting trip, President Roosevelt did not see any bears. He was going to give up and go home.
The president has to get something,
said one man.
He will feel bad if he doesn't,
said another.
I have an idea,
said a third man. The man told the others his plan. They found an old bear and tied it to a tree. Then they ran back to the president.
Mr. President, I saw a bear. Follow me, Mr. President,
said one of the men. He pointed to the tied-up bear.
Here is the bear. Shoot it, sir,
said another man. President Roosevelt looked at the bear.
How can I kill this helpless animal?
Shouted the president.
I can't. I won't kill it.
A cartoon appeared in the newspaper a few days later. It showed President Roosevelt and the bear. The cartoon quickly became famous. A candy store owner saw the drawing. He and his wife decided to make a stuffed bear. They named it Teddy's Bear and displayed it in their store window. Everyone wanted the stuffed bear. It became very popular. Over time, Teddy's Bear became known as the Teddy Bear. And now the teddy bear is loved by children all around the world.
Ma'am?
Yes, kids. Did you watch the video, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a meaningful story. Yes, no? How we'll get the teddy bear? Yes. Yes, no, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, our little one, Chris Birds and Chris Blooms, are going to share some memories about her favorite toy. Okay, are you ready, my dear kids?
Yes.
Shall I call? Now, I would like call LKGA Ganavi. Ganavi, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. LKGA Ganavi. Yes, my dear. Hi. Hi, my dear. Say, my dear, about your teddy bear.
My favorite teddy bear. It's a drawing. I love it very. It's pinky. I play with it. I sleep with it. Mama.
Oh, you will sleep with him. Very good. It is your pet, no? Bye, my dear. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Then, Kuladeep. Are you ready, my dear? Kuladeep?
Mom.
Yes.
Kuladeep.
Yeah. Tell me, dear. Tell me. Say, ma.
Good morning, toy is teddy bear. He red in color. Dash to ash to ears to arms to legs. I love my teddy. Thank you.
Very good, my dear. Good. Then Ashini. Ashini, my dear. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. ma'am.
I am LKG. Yes, son. This is my teddy bear. The teddy bear is my best friend. I love my hair so much. My teddy have 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 hands, 2 legs. Thank you.
Very good, my dear. Then next child. Kanika. Are you ready, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, ma. Say about your favorite toy.
Yeah, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Favorite
Favorite
teddy bear.
teddy bear.
So cute
So cute.
teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I want to give a clap for mummy or child. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Next. LKGB.
ma'am.
Navya. Navya, my dear. Are you ready?
Ma'am, your kids is fine, ma'am.
Yojit afterwards, my dear. Okay. Mute yourself. Navya, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, my dear. Say about your favorite toy.
Mickey Mouse.
Now say that.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Navya. I am studying in LKG B section. Mickey Mouse's favorite cartoon toy. It is round face, big nose, big yes. It is very soft and cute toy. I love play with Mickey Mouse. I love Mickey Mouse very much. Thank you.
Very good, my dear. Good, my dear. Then, Ganapriya.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, my dear.
My name is Ganapriya.
Yeah.
I'll get a bee. It is double bell. Turkeys. Turkeys. Its name is Pinky Teddy Bear. So cute. Beautiful. But play. I play full.
Your toy is very beautiful, my dear. Huh? Very cute.
Fatty full.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear.
Cool, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Guru Charan Reddy. Guru Charan. My dear, Guru Charan.
Say good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
I am Guru Charan. This is Masha. This is
Say.
this bear. I like
I like Sultan.
Say, baby. Say here. See here. Say. No need to scare. No need to scare. You can say.
Sultan.
Say, ma.
Maza.
Good boy. No. Say, baby.
I will give a big teddy bear for you. Say, my dear.
Say, ma.
Sultan. This is beer. Please.
If you want to say in Kannada, you say, ma.
சொல்லுமா சொல்லு நல்லா சொல்லு அது என்னது கையில இருக்குது
Maza. Maza. Maza.
ஓஹோ என்ன பேரு மாதிரிது
சொல்லு Maza.
Maza.
மாஜா ஓகே ஓகே அது என்ன Dress போட்டுருக்குது
This is beer. Pink dress. This is beer. Sorry.
This is pink dress. Brown.
Brown color.
Bear.
Teddy
Okay,
bear.
beautiful bear. குருச்சரன்
Pamper.
குருச்சரன் உங்க பேர் என்ன பேர் என்ன பேருது
Beer.
பியர் ஓகே ஓகே என்ன கலர் இருக்குது பேர்
Beer என்ன color?
Brown.
பிரவுன் see பின்னாடி ரொம்ப டாய்ஸ் இருக்குதே உங்க கிட்ட ஷோகேஸ்ல எஸ்
Yes,
is there
Yes.
yes very good baby
Very good, my dear. Very good. Next, UKGB. Very good. UKGB. Sahana.
I love my Jojo. I keep Jojo on my bed. He's my best friend. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, up to the school. Thank you.
Welcome, my dear. Good. Sahana have blue color teddy bear. I have red color teddy bear. Yes, ma'am, my dear?
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, next. Chandu. My dear. Yes, my dear Chandu, start. Say.
My name is Chandu. I am studying in UKG B section. My favorite toy is teddy bear. Its name is Dinko. It is in pink red color. My papa gifted me on my birthday. I like to play with it.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, my dear. That's why I said girls are like teddy bear. Yes, no, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, always papa, mommy give her gift for girls. Teddy bear only. Yes, no?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Next, UKGC. Purvita.
Yes, ma'am.
Purvita, my dear. Yes, my dear. Continue.
Hi, everyone. My name. Good morning. My name
Good morning.
is UKG C section. My favorite toy is teddy bear. It is very soft. It is special to my dad. I love my teddy very much. Thank you.
Good, my dear. Good. Then,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome, my dear. Thank you, my dear kids. Nicely you said your favorite toys. Okay. Now, I over to you, Rohini, ma'am.
1 second, ma'am. Before Rohini, ma'am, some students are requesting me. Yes, Charvika, want to show anything? Want to say, share your toy? Charvika? Charvika?
Charan ma'am.
Yes, do you want to share? Charan, want to share?
Yes, ma'am.
You will get the
Ma'am,
chance,
is there
baby. You
time,
will
ma'am?
get the
We'll get the
chance.
chance.
You will get the chance, okay? Now over to Rohini ma'am. Okay.
Hello, children. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Huh?
Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Unmute Rohini ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Okay, so now. Okay, I'm going to tell you something about special day today for you, and it is a toy expo. It's a toy expo day for you. So you're today free, no books for you, no need of writing. So you're going to enjoy today the toy expo day, is it not? So from that, I'm going to tell you about the land transport. Land transport means land is what we walk on the ground, and many vehicles will go on this land. And transport means vehicles. It is known as vehicles. Okay. So you see many types of vehicles, no? And we have seen, for example, I will tell you a car. There are so many types of cars. Various cars are there, like Benzer, Toyota, okay, Innova. Very nice, big, nice cars are there. I think so. You all are having it in your house, no, children? So if you want to go somewhere from one place to another place, you go in a car. Some people go in a bus, is it not? So there's a bus also. If you want to go to school, you can't go walking. You want to go in a school bus, is it not? So you can see a school bus, a yellow color bus. As soon as you see the yellow color bus, what you will say? Mommy, see there, a school bus. Our school bus is coming. So we have to go to school, I think so. So you'll see that and you'll say that, no? Okay. So now you can see the other vehicles also, like two-wheelers, bikes, scooty, a bicycle, small bicycle you can see, no? So you like to ride it, is it not? So you tell your parents you want to wheel of a bicycle, you want to play with that, you want to go in that, and you see many varieties of vehicles there in our places, is it not? So now there are animals which they go in a vehicle also, because long distance they can't walk. So they take them in a tempo traveler. So there are many trucks also, there are tractors also, there are JCB also is there for you to help in the field. So there are many types of various types of vehicles. Okay. So now see, I will show you your favorite vehicle. Okay. You'll be very happy to see. See now, what is this? This is a car.
Yellow car.
Nice it is, no?
Yellow car.
Nice, no? Yeah, yellow color car. I think so many of them must be having this toy, no? So your parents must have brought and given for you to play as you are small. Is it not, kids? Huh? My dear kids. So I will show you one more. Now, what is this? The military jeep. Can you see this? This is a military jeep. Is it not? Okay. The military people, they use for the war. Yes. It is a military jeep. It is used for wars. Okay. So when there is a war, they take these jeeps and go. Okay. So you can see here, they put the big bombs inside this, and from here, the bomb comes out and gets shot that side. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then see, this is a tractor. Can you see this? Can you see the tractor here? How it is? Very nice. This is the one vehicle, no? You can see. Yeah? Oh, I think so. Many of them must be having this also vehicle. Is it not? Okay, okay. So I think so now there's one more car for you. See, a white color car. I think so you sit in this vehicle and then you go, no? If you want to go somewhere to our place. Yeah. When you go to yes, yes. And white color car. So in this cars, if you want to go to far away places to your relations, you sit in the car and you go, no? Is it not? Yes or no? Okay. Now see, there's a tractor. What is this? JCB. JCB. What is this? JCB. Is it not? So these are used in the fields. Then to remove all the mud. Yeah. Then they dig with this in the behind part. They have the straws and then they remove all the mud out from this. Okay. Then now I'll show you. You go in this bus now to school. Do you go? Do you go in this bus to school? Yellow color bus. Yellow color bus. Yes, yes, school bus. Yellow color school bus. Okay. Now, can you see what is this? A bike. Is it not? Your brothers, your uncles, your daddy and all will go on this bikes, no? Very fast, this bike will go. So you like bikes? Do you like the bikes? So you like, yeah, you must be liking even the cars also. Yeah, yeah. So I've shown varieties of vehicles. Then in olden days, there is a bullock cart. Bullock cart will be going because people in those days didn't have cars, did not have any other vehicles. There were very less vehicles. Like sometimes once in a way, buses would be there. But those days, there would be bullock cart. Bullock cart means Yettina Bandi. They say in Kannada, Yettina Bandi. So there's the people used to sit there behind. And when they used to go to some other places, that time, it would take nearly about 4 or 5 days to go and reach. Right? To go and reach the other places. Is it not? So there are, and one more vehicle I want to tell you, that on the ground only, on the land only, there are rails. Rails means there's a railway track going. A train goes on the railway track. Okay. So on the land, there is a train also to go. Like how other vehicles will go, that will be the same way the train also goes. So now, have you all traveled in a train, children? Have you all traveled in a train? It is so nice, no? To go in a train. When you go in a train, in those boxes there, when you sit in the there are windows. So from the windows, what do you see? You see many mountains, hills, forest, then some animals moving about. Then in that tunnel also the train goes. Waterfalls also you see. So everything you can see when you travel in a train. So you like to travel, no, in a train? So many of them, I think so, you must have gone in a train. Yes, children? Have you all traveled in a train? Yes. So how it goes? That way it goes, no? So the noise comes that way, no? Huh? Yeah, let's see in a train. Huh? Going that way. Okay. So many people, many children like to stand and see when the train is going. Is it not? Okay. So now, see, it is so nice to see all the types of vehicles. So I've told you everything about the vehicles now. Okay. So there are various kinds of land transport. Now, we all are going to see a beautiful video. And now the video will be shown for you. Okay. Yes, Tenzin.
Hello friends! Do you know how many modes of transport are there? There are 3 modes of transport: land, water and air. We can move from one place to another on land, water and air. I'm going out with my parents. Let us see what means of transport we find today. This is a car. My father and mother take me out in a car. This is a bicycle. I ride my bicycle every day. That is a bus. We go to school in a bus. See, that is a truck. It carries heavy things in the back. Look, that is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. It has two wheels, just like my bicycle. A scooter also has two wheels. Scooter. We are waiting for the train to pass by. Look, there it goes. This is a train. It travels on tracks. Look in the fields. That is a tractor. Tractor. It is used by farmers in the fields. This is a rickshaw. A rickshaw has three wheels. An auto rickshaw has three wheels too. Sometimes I travel in an auto rickshaw. There are so many things people use to travel on land. Do you know of any other means of land transport?
Wow, it was excellent movement of vehicles. So now, our little blooming kids will present their favorite toy with beautiful words. I would like to call upon LKG child from A division, Geetak. So please perform your vehicle, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Come on, say. Yes.
Good morning, respected teachers. My name is Geetaka, LKG 8. I am going to free cable. My favorite toy, Jeep. This is very stylish. Red in color. My papa is gifted me. Right to go jungle safari. You guys, pollution and me. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, it was fantastic introduction. Okay. Now next I call upon Rohit. Okay. Say.
My name is Rohit. The toys car, the forest, the two windows, the four lights, the two mirrors.
Okay.
It is a remote control car. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Now next I call upon UKGB Mahit Reddy.
Yes,
Mahit Reddy is there. Come on, say, introduce about your vehicle.
Can you hear my voice, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, everyone, ma'am. My name is Mahit Reddy, UKG B section. I'm going to tell about my favorite toy. My favorite toy is car. It is red in color. My father gifted me. I like to play with my car. Thank you.
Very nice. Okay.
I have many more toys, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So Mahit Reddy, you have collected so many toys. Very nice. Very nicely you have kept it. Good, good. Very good. It was fantastic. Now next, I call Pradhan Satri. Pradhan Satri.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay.
My name is Pradhan Satri. I am studying UKG B section. My favorite toy is car. I like car very much. I play in my car. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice it was. So that blue color car is a favorite car, no, for you, Pradhan? Very nice. Very nice. Very good boy.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, next I will go to UKGC. So it is
Ma'am?
Kriti.
Rohini ma'am, LKG
Yes.
B and UKG A is there.
Okay. LKG.
Good morning, teachers. My name is I am studying in UKG C section. My name is Christ International School. This is my car. The color is red. This was gifted by my dad. I love this car very much. I will play with car every day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. LKGB, Charan Tej Reddy. Sorry. Charan Tej Reddy.
Charan Tej Reddy, unmute and say ma. You are waiting, no? Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Charan Tej Reddy. I'm studying in LKG B section. My school, Great International School. My toy is car. Car color is red. My car is Papa gifted me. My car is very beautiful car. My car driving is very super. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Now I call upon Danvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Sir,
Good
morning. evening,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, my all teachers. My name is Danvit. I study in LKG
B.
B section.
My favorite.
My favorite toy is car.
My favorite color.
My
My
favorite
favorite.
color is green color. My favorite toy green color toy. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Now, UKGA, Prakurti M. Acharya.
I am Prakriti from UKG section. My favorite toy is car. From childhood, whenever we go to shopping, I always ask my parents for a car. So my papa gifted me this car on my 5th birthday. And it is a remote control car. Very stylish and easy to operate. I play with my car every day. So it is very special to me. I love my toy car. It makes me happy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. UKGB, Mahit Reddy.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Now, UKGC, Pratana.
Hi ma'am, good morning. I am Prathana. I am studying in UKGC. My school name is Christ International School. This is time. I like to travel time. Time will be so long. So many people traveling this train. So many doors and windows this train. Train will be going chikku bukku. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Very fantastic it was, the introduction. Okay, now next, Rutvik.
Yes, ma'am.
See, finished.
Good morning, my dear teachers, my dear friends.
Yes.
Name is Sri Rutvik Sai. I study UKGC. Today I will tell my favorite toy. My favorite toy. My father get to me. It can move very fast. It is a remote control car. It has a chargeable battery. I like to play with my car. I'm so happy it is mine. Thank you.
Very nice. So your favorite car it is, no? Remote car. Very nice. So you're very happy with that, is it not? Very good. Very good. Now next is, I call upon Adil. Adil.
Adil, you can speak, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. I am Adil from UKGC. My favorite toy is racing car. It goes very fast. It has many wheels as ABCD and 1, 2, 3 on it. It glows colorful light. It plays music. It might sleep with my car. I love my car. Thank you.
Very nice. Beautiful car you're having. Colorful with lights, is it not? So you're very happy with your car, no? So you must say thanks to your parents.
Yes, ma'am.
So very nice that car is. Fantastic. Very nice. Now next I call Shashank Shreyas. Shashank Shreyas. Hello. Now say.
Shashank, we are unable to hear your voice, ma. Come little closer. Come little closer.
Louder.
Atraba, hairstyle.
My name is Shashank Shreyas. I study in UKG section. I am going to say a word about my favorite type. I like JCB. Because very hard working worker can demolish the current of building. False, etc. Normally, heavy vehicle. And we see yellow color. So people can identify it. So I like JCB. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Super. Now next I call upon Danvik. Danvik,
Yes, ma'am.
come on. You have finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, say it.
Hi, friends. Good morning to all. This is Danvik. Showing my class. Car, teddy bear, chimpanzee, guns, dog, elephant. My favorite toys, cycle, gun. Want to become a police minister. Thank you.
Good, very good. So I hope LKG Rohit has said.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You finished. Rohit has finished.
Thank you very much, children. It was a lovely performance. What you have told about the vehicles, about the land transport, it's very, very nice. So you all came to know which are the land transport here, and we travel in that, and we reach other places very fast. So in this way, you have introduced very nicely. It was really fantastic. Thank you very much. Now I call upon. Yeah.
Okay. Maulya has requested to share the toy. Maulya, can you share now? Maulya? Baby Maulya, are you there? You have requested to share, no?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, baby, say.
My name is Maulya. I am studying in UKG. My friend name is Fruity. I love so much. I play with her every day. She's soft and very small to play. Thank you.
Okay, Ma, it was a wonderful, very good. Okay, children, so you got to know about the various toys of your friends and even yours also. You have shared with them. They have shared with you. Did you all enjoy? If yes, show me a thumbs up.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Jagat want to share, ma'am.
Jagat want to share. Okay, Ma. Say, Ma.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Yes, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, you can
My
share,
name
baby.
is Jagat. I am studying in UKG. This is my favorite toy. My mom is, this is Panda, my gift. Panda, very lazy. This thing is bamboos. Their color is black and white.
So many
Hello,
toys.
my panda.
Best friend and Christian product.
Here it is. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Vamshi, say, Ma.
Good morning, everyone. Look, the beach section. My favorite toy is teddy bear. It is pink color. Sleep with me. I love to play. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, dear, it was a nice.
Thank you.
Now, please, everyone, mute your mic.
I will say, ma'am.
Also say, ma'am.
And now it's time up. We'll have a last session of this program. Okay. So we are all very happy to see, we teachers are all very happy to see your toys and sharing your feelings with the toys. Even I think you're all happy by seeing your friends' toys and sharing your toys with them, isn't it? Okay. Yes, someone wants to say something. Who's that?
Aradhya ma'am. Aradhya ma'am.
Okay, Aradhya. Please, other than Aradhya, please everyone mute your mic. Subhash, your chance over, ma. You have said already. Wait, dear, wait. Please mute your mics. Aradhya want to say? Okay, after Aradhya, you can say.
Respected parents, you have to enroll your name previously. Then only we will give the chance because the time is up.
Yes.
So sorry. So we'll give the chance afterwards.
She's with me from 3 years. I got her as a gift from my sister. I love play with her every time. I everyday bath to her, dress up and play with her. She's my best friend. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
it was very nice. Okay. Now, please mute everyone. It's almost 2 hours finished. We cannot make more than to sit small children in front of the. I request everyone to please mute your mics because they are sitting more time from 9:30 to now. We have come to the end of this session. As I said you that you all are happy by seeing the toys of your friends. Even you have shared your toys with your friends. Do you know what is this? Some Mickey Mouse. Yes, this is a Mickey Mouse. Yes. Shall we say that? Mr. Mickey Mouse. Come on, all of you say, mute your mics and say, Mickey Mouse. Yes. You're all happy, no? Yes. Mickey Mouse. Okay, come on, give me a high five. You're all happy. Okay. Now, tick, tick, 1, mute your mic. Tick, tick, 2. Tick, tick, 3. Done. Very good. Children, you are all spending most of the time with your toys, your friend toy, isn't it? To have a healthier and happier childhood, which you can look back to with fondness. This can help you transition easier to adulthood as they have fully been able to experience being a child. Yes. Who's that? I request all the parents to please mute your mics. Okay. Toys are spark imagination, isn't it? When you see the toys, what do you think? Oh, I have to play with this. You will feel as your friend. Arnavi, please mute your mic, dear. Okay. If you want to say means you could have given the time up. I have already said you 2 hours over, children. You cannot sit more than that in front of the screen. Okay. Next time, sure, you'll get the chance. So toys refine a child's motor development and they help a child emotionally mature. You will not only play with the toys, even you will learn so many things with the help of toys. Like our teachers said, Bhavya ma'am said, no, about the colors, shapes, like that. You can understand by seeing the toy, the 5 motor skill, even that you can understand what's the land transport, water transport, teddy bears, Barbies, all our teachers explained very nicely. So really we have to hats off to our teacher and give a big clap to our all teachers, children. They made you understand what type of toy, how you can play with that, everything, isn't it? So really thank you, teachers. Please mute your mic. Okay. Here is a takeaway for all the parents. You know what is that? The importance of toys in child developing is something that we as a parents needs to consider, both in terms of what type of toys we provide as well as how many to give them. Remember that kids don't need unnecessarily more toys. We have to be giving them a limited and a thing what they want to play, how they can understand the toy. They need better toys to play with and learn along. I thank each and everyone for being a part of this Toy Expo program. Once again, I thank you. Have a fun-filled day to cherish you with all. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you, my dear parents, teachers, and kids.
Thank you, ma'am.